Welcome to Bendiventures. Okay, we just came down a flight of stairs. They were able to change the room that we're staying in. The one that I had requested was with a wraparound balcony, and the one that they gave us didn't have it. She was really, really sweet and made the change. So anyway, we're moving her stuff. Let's check out this one. Cool. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is more like it. Cute. More closer bed, huh? Okay, so I'm happy with this. I guess the trade-off is that the other one had a king-size bed. This is just a queen size, but that's okay. My wife and I like to cuddle, so it's good. This one still has the jacuzzi tub, so we're not missing anything there. I think it's a bigger room overall. And of course, we get the balcony. The other maybe con, after seeing that first one, I mean, it's good we got to see the room on the third floor, is the view was higher. So even though we couldn't be out on the balcony, the view through the window, you could actually see out to the lake. Here, we're down a bit. It's fine, we can still see the marina, but the trees kind of obscure some of that view. So there is a little bit of a trade-off, but I think overall I'm more satisfied with this. This is kind of what I had in mind when I booked the place. So thank you, Harbor House Inn. Made us very happy.